In this exercise, we are going to start with this sketch of this fish, and in the end, we will get this illustration. File, place, exercise 7, check template, and now we're gonna start drawing. First, we're gonna use this tool, the pencil tool. I'm gonna set the stroke to 10 points and the color to black. And of course, make sure the fidelity is set to this level and edit selected paths checked. Click OK. And I'm going to start from here. I can pause and then continue. I'm going to continue from here like this, and close the line. I can go back and fix some of the lines like this. And now I'm going to draw this part, starting from here, like this. But we notice we have a problem. Control Z to go back. I have to select, deselect, and then draw. That way I don't modify the other line. Like this. Now I go to this part. A line like this. A line like this. A line here. A line here. One line starting from here. I didn't like this last part. Control Z, go back, and I'm gonna redo it like this. Now a line here, like this. Zoom some more, select, deselect, and then draw this part. Select, deselect. I'm gonna set the stroke to 5 this time and draw these thin lines like this. Same thing with this part. and this part. I'm gonna correct this part, redo it like this, and I think I almost finished drawing the lines. I have to add the eye. For this I'm going to need the ellipse tool, black stroke, and stroke weight set to 5 like this, and another ellipse right here, and I'm gonna click swap fill and stroke. I have to make sure all the lines are where they need to be, and if not, I can fix some things with the direct selection tool like this. Gonna move it slightly, gonna keep inspecting, make sure everything is okay. Might change position of this line right here. I think everything is fine. Now we can start coloring. So I'm gonna open the layers window. I'm gonna check here to unsee the template. We no longer need it, and I'm going to add another layer. I'm gonna name this lines and lock it for protection like this, and this one colors. You're going to color on this layer. For the coloring, we're gonna need the blob brush tool. I'm gonna select the color orange and double click. Okay, make sure the size is big, like 200, like this, and I'm going to start coloring like this. Like this. Even if I go beyond the lines, it's okay. I can always delete everything outside the line later. Try to paint everything. Make sure everything is painted. And now with the eraser tool, I'm gonna set it to 40 points, the size of the eraser. Click OK. I need to zoom. And now I'm gonna start deleting all the unnecessary parts, everything outside the lines, like this. Now we deleted everything that's outside the line. I'm gonna go back to blob brush tool, set the color to white. I need to reduce the size from 200 to 100 like this. I'm gonna paint this part with white, this part as well, and this part. Now I'm gonna zoom. I'm gonna reduce the size, let's say 20 points, and fill the rest of this area. Okay, we finished this part. Now we move to this part. And last thing we need to fill is the eye. If I ever make a mistake like this, for example, I can go to the eraser tool, press Ctrl, select the part I want to delete, and delete it like this. If I don't select the part, for example, without selecting this white part, and I just delete, look what happens. I delete both the white area and the orange area. That's not what I want. Control Z, Control to access the selection tool, select like this, and then let go, and I can delete only the selected part. So the exercise now is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.